In this section, we are going to dive into VS Code a little bit and walk into steps in creating a folder and further using VS Code as Golang editor. So now I'm going to look into File, Open Folder. Just going to import the folder here. So yeah, I have imported Ego. Now I want to close the welcome screen. So we have two options here. One to create subfolder, another to create a new file. So we just go ahead and create subfolder here. If required, we could do that. Now a subfolder is created. Now I can select the subfolder and create a file. I'm just going to say hello.co. We have hello.co opened up here. I'm just going to write a small piece of code to demonstrate editing with VS Code. So I'm going to create a package main. This is going to be our package. Going to import some existing packages. So FMT for logging messages, and then this is our driver is going to be function main. I want to do nothing but just print some statements, say hello world here, println, hello world. This is my first Go code. That's it. I want to save it, and then we can see how we can compile this. So we're going to open a terminal down. It has opened up a terminal under the main folder here. So just want to walk into this subfolder and then say go run hello. So this is going to run it. We have the results here, and this gives you a good background of how to use VS Code for editing Golang applications.